have some ideas. So for a while now, I've had this idea. And I still don't know how to execute it, but there's no better time than the present, right? We're gonna make a song. Okay? Because songs are a really good way to learn, because they stick in your brain. Only problem is, I know nothing about music. So this is gonna be fun. So, let's see what happens, shall we? I don't even exactly know what this song should be about. Like, just programming in general. I was like, because I wanted to teach something, it's like tips or something. Or like key concepts of a programming language. I don't know. So I think where I'm going to start is just like writing down rhyming words. Because that's like usually where I start. Because I've written about poetry before. Not gonna lie. So like, I don't know. Maybe that's a good place to start. Rhyming words. Got my HTML mug, we're all set. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so some rhyming words I've got so far is Java Lava, and that's already set me on a track. So then I thought, you know how we did that video if programming languages were people? If you haven't seen it yet, I'll link it above. And y'all know I already prefer Python to Java, so I don't know. I was thinking of like a song about that, but then I thought, have you ever watched epic rap battles of history? I was like, what if we made like a rap battle? I might carry on that train of thought. We'll see. I really like the rap battle idea. I think that's better since I can't even sing anyway. So I'm gonna try and find some like free beats on YouTube or something. This is gonna be like such a mess. I'm excited though. Oh, ads. Does this one ever like hit harder? This could work since it's kind of slow. Because I need time to articulate. I'll work around that. In trying to write these lyrics, I've literally had to remind myself of Java syntax because it's been so long since I've actually programmed in Java. And ugh, curly brackets for arrays? Whose idea was that? It's disgusting. Curly brackets for arrays are like jackets on hot days. This is gonna take some time. Curly brackets for arrays are like jackets on hot days. Yeah, I'm gonna need a raise because you, Java, just got blazed. Mic drop. Curly brackets for arrays are like jackets on hot days. Yeah, I'm gonna need a raise because you, Java, just got blazed. What has my life come to? I just have a lot of like rhyming words here. I have Java Lava. I like that a lot. Java Lava. Java Lava. Java Lava. Oh, another good rhyme I have is semicolon moron. I love that. I don't know what I'm gonna write for the Java side, because all my lyrics are just like insults to Java. Oh, I could change the semicolon moron one to Java, I could say. Use the semicolon moron. Use the semicolon moron. Let me turn this down. Alright, here's what I have for Java so far. Use a semicolon, moron. Until you use a bracket, I'ma make a racket. Oh my god. Then for Python, I have this. Curly brackets for arrays are like jackets on hot days. Yeah, I'm gonna need a raise because you, Java, just got blazed. Oh my god. Okay, I have a lyric where we can actually teach something, because I was rhyming words, and so I have import and sort. And so I'm gonna say something like, I don't know, Python will say something just like, all I do is sort. And then they'll say to Java, you have to import and sort. Because in Java you have to import array utilities before you can use a sorting method. Whereas Python you can just say array.sort. Yeah. I'm not sure anymore how this is going to be a rap battle, because I have like hardly any arguments for Java. Java's just getting ripped to shreds by Python, so we might just have to make it a why Python is better than Java video. At this stage, so what I've got right now is Python saying, my array's all mixed up, all I do is sort. Or no, all I have to do is sort. Okay, wait. I have to get the flow right. My array is all mixed up, all I have to do is sort. But before you can sort, you need to do a stupid import. And I'm gonna include like little screenshots in the music video. That teaches something. Let's test it to the beat, shall we? Ah. My array's all mixed up. All I have to do is sort. But before you can sort, you need to do a stupid import. Well, that works. I'll be a rapper yet. Okay, so as it stands, Java's gonna start and say, use a semicolon, moron. Java lava, Java lava. And until you use a bracket, I'ma make a big fat racket. So that's Java. Then Python's gonna come back and say, curly brackets for arrays are like jackets on hot days. Yeah, I'm gonna need a raise, cause you, Java, just got blazed. Let's try it to music. Use the semicolon, moron. Java lava, Java lava. And until you use a bracket, I'ma make a big fat racket. Curly brackets for arrays are like jackets on hot days. Yeah, I'm gonna need a raise, cause you, Java, just got blazed. I think we could make this into like a short or something. I don't feel like a whole video should be comprised of this, because there's no way in hell I'm gonna come up with more bars. If you can even call what I have right now bars. I feel like this will be a fun short video. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it.